Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what is the purpose of this strap on your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So you may have noticed this strap after getting your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. What purpose does it serve? Well, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. I'm going to show you 3 ways to actually use this strap, starting with the first way, in which it's just one way to actually carry your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. So you could actually put your finger through it and then hold it this way, and the strap is actually pretty durable. Now with this strap, you can also configure it to actually go ahead and hang on different hooks. So I've done this with camping, in which I just had my Bose SoundLink Flex speaker hanging just like that. And with it, I can hang it off a tent, I can hang it off a canopy, and it works just fine, okay? Because this strap is very well made to actually hold the weight of your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. Now, another thing that I've seen people do is that they actually attach a carabiner to this strap, okay? So if you attach a carabiner to the strap, now you can use the carabiner to attach your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker to anything else. So sometimes people just keep a carabiner attached onto here at all times, but that's more so up to you. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what this strap is for on your Bose SoundLink Flex speaker. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.